Just fasten these. There we go. You're not going anywhere, darling. No, no, no. Don't try to struggle, please. I do not want that digging into your skin. Okay? I just need you to be good for me. Lay down. Stay still. And relax, okay? I love you. I love you more than anything in this world, which is why I have to do this. You are trying to ruin your day. I cannot allow that. Because if you ruin your day, that in turn ruins my day, because then I'm constantly worried about you all day. So, if I want my day to be good, I gotta save your day. Which in turn means saving you from your biggest enemy, yourself. So do me a favor, darling, and don't resist, okay? I'm even gonna lay right next to you. Just like always. Wrap my arms around you nice and tight. It's gonna be okay. I promise. I've got you. Nothing is ever going to happen to you. Don't listen to that mean voice in your head that sounds just like you. It's not you, okay? The real you would never say something so mean to someone. Isn't that right? Exactly. I love you so, so, so much that I go to such extremes to make sure that you're not mean to yourself, that you don't ruin your own day. Sure, this may be a bit extreme, but I think it's warranted. Especially when it involves the love of my life. I couldn't bear to see anything bad happen to you. You drive me insane with worry and stress. And it's not your fault. It's not your fault. It's that mean little voice inside your head that just constantly badgers you for no good reason. You may feel like you're behind or not doing enough, but trust me when I say you are. You are doing enough, and I'm very proud of you. You're doing more than enough. I love you. I've got you. And it's gonna be okay. You don't need to stress anymore. Just focus on the sound of my voice, okay? It's okay. Shh, 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 shh. You don't even need to talk, okay? You don't have to apologize or feel like you're a burden, because you're not. You've never been a burden. The only thing you've ever been is the love of my life. And I'd do anything for the love of my life. Yeah, including handcuffing you to the bed and laying on top of you. So, if that's not a sign of that I would do anything, I really don't know what is. Yeah, I mean, I guess so. I could be more subtle about it, but, you know, subtlety's never been my thing. And you know that, so I don't know why you're expecting it. There is that laugh and smile that I love so much. I will never grow tired of seeing it. Not in a million years. Of course not. You're the one and only person that I have loved in this world. Truly, truly loved. Unconditionally. I know that's a bit dramatic, but I think now is the perfect time for dramatics. I mean, I literally handcuffed you to our bed, so... yeah. I am drama personified, if you will. I love you so much. Yeah. With the sounds outside and you next to me, it's really peaceful. It is, yeah. I can't think of anything better. Yeah, I'm sure that I could take the handcuffs off and we could, you know, just hold on to each other and sleep and be happy when I fall asleep. What's to stop you from getting up and going away and ruining your day? Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, well, good thing I was just being dramatic. And there. And here's the key, you can get the other one. No, because it's very far away, and by far away I mean across the bed. So, I'm sure you can manage. I think I will take you up on that offer, by the way. You know the one I sleep in. And, you better not get up and go away. Trust me. I know. I'll probably spiral into horrible nightmares the second you get out of bed. And it'll be your fault. It'd be horrible. I guess you just better stay. Exactly. Hey. Give me a kiss. Thank you. Good night.